Hello children, good morning. All of you are welcome in my conversation class and today's date is 22/12/21 and our topic is sound of animal. Today we will learn some questions about the sound of animals. So children, look at the board. Let's begin. Number 1 question. Which sound does a cow make? Do you know children? Which sound does a cow make? Yes, a cow moves. A cow moves. Moves. A cow moves. Which sound does a cow make? A cow moves. Number 2 question. Which sound does a dog make? Which sound does a dog make? A dog barks. A dog barks. Okay, children, a dog barks. Okay, now dog. This is dog. Now, which sound? Question number 3. Does a lion make? A lion roar. A lion roars. So children, say with me once again. Which sound does a cow make? A cow moves. A cow moves. Which sound does a dog make? A dog barks. A dog barks. And which sound does a lion make? A lion roars. A lion roars. So children, you should learn these questions. Okay, no more for today. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children. Have a nice day.